everybody, my name is Dorian Petkoff, and today I thought if I could play another game on Mario Editor. I want to change things and make them a little different. Instead of me making nice little levels, today I'll surprise you, but I am going to be building kind of you'll see, like this. I'm going to go crazy everywhere. And I'm going to add some catchy music. Is that catchy enough? That would be okay. Now there's going to be stuff everywhere. There's going to be these coins all over the place. And the flagpole matters exactly. Because I want these levels, to be, there's a checkpoint. And these checkpoints are really cool as well. There can be only one flagpole, which is going to be here. God, there's so much sound going on outside, just to tell you. That's why I sometimes... Look. I'm gonna go all crazy. How does that do it in an action play? Yeah, you're roughly about to get okay, and if you get that one, the other one disappears. There you go. You can't get 3 checkpoints in a row. You can't restart at 3 places at the same time. Now, if I get past, I can't fly over the flagpole, so that gives a message. All elements would be squashed in that one place. Now, I'm going to try and see. There's no limit, I think, so I'm just going to try and make as many as I can, alright? That is here. And I'm going to make items, the water tiles as well. Gonna do all kinds of tiles, everything everywhere. Literally enough to fill this entire area up. There we go. Jellicoe. Got jellies here. We got here. We're gonna make a super flower. How does this do? Let's try this in an action replay. Oh no! What just happened then? Hold on for a second. Does it? Oh my god. I have to. We try that level again. Mi esposa parece una guapa. because of the vitamin?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, I'm here. Don't worry, I'm not going on the wrong side. I need my tent. My attention, guys. I did not. So yeah, guys, that was the whole level what it was gonna be. I'm still finishing it, so I did click save. So yeah. Wait a second, guys. Ma'am, sugar. A bit more. It's not quite. Right, guys. There we go. Edit. Now there we go. Now I'm gonna before only up to here. So I'm gonna go crazy, and and try fit things everywhere. Even if there doesn't matter, even if there's one of each thing, and as long as everything is there, and as long as I'm able to like fit everything in chests, and make sure that I've tested out a bunch of new things as well. Or can I keep the spoon? Okay. That could be a key. I'm gonna put a few over here and a few around the area here. Do these drop? Do they fall? Oh, now I got the checkpoint. Oh, how is that even possible? I don't even know how. I can watch my video back again. That was my. And these are the pals. There's lots of coins everywhere, and done. Wouldn't it be annoying if you're playing like a level, then you accidentally flew over the flagpole? In this game, you can't. It doesn't let you as much as the flagpole limit. That's why I don't have to worry about accidentally scraping things. Rather than going past the flagpole section, as you can see here. You can scrape, but pretty much everything will be squashed in that one area, though. Here should be a P-switch. I'm going to make a few stacked on top of each other like that. With that tricky way here. Right. There's a lot going on now. But not that much as how many things we have left. I'm going to try and fill all the gaps in. I'm not trying to go fill in. And plus I'm going to split them a bit, spread it away from each other to see how everything will look like. Right, I think we're might about to be at the, we got a few things left. As you can see, I'm going to go a bit crazy and try spread things a bit out and make them not exactly touching each other, such as coins. Right, I can do coins, but as you can see, 2 here, 4, 6, and there we go. Save tiles. And I could use one of these guys. This is called a cloud. Now if I use that, I can make a face, but officially have no place to make the face, so I'm just going to do that. And do that. Oh my god, you can come and see what this is. And just do that. There we go, just make it here. Like, this is going to be so much stuff happening at once that I showed you one on Mr. Maker 2 on that other channel, so I don't know if it's uploaded yet, but if you do see anything, don't be confused really of when did I show you. Now, let's get a bit crazy now, shall we? And these things, they are fantastic. Or you don't know what they do, they push you around. Now, I was wondering that would be fun to have, getting pushed up. And you know what, let's make this even more fun actually, or a bit funny actually. Actually, you know what? Let's have an invincibility star over here, then get myself a star. How about this play out? Is there so much happening? Wow. There's no much animations, like everything is there. There you go, you can kind of see what they do, and whoa, and I'm getting knocked back, and you kind of see that it's all kind of like, ma'am, tip me a bit more in, alright? Tip me a bit more in. Cereal in. I'm also, and I'm also like, just to make this a bit fun, why not cause some arrows to go different ways? Let's do some that are going up. So once I'm done, I'm gonna be pushing myself up here, and once I'm here, I'm gonna just be pushed that way. I want to make this go a bit crazy, so no, that's not gonna work because I can calculate already from my visions. So yeah, I'm just gonna go here. It's gonna push me really high, I bet. I know, I just have to get this to the test now. I think if I barely pushes me even. It could push me really high, and I think it does push me high because I tried this before. I never recorded it in video. Oh, that sounds supposed to happen, isn't it? Right. Now, I could make level as well, chasing after that one star. It's like a little sweet coin. I could make the entire level like that, but it didn't quite work. Okay.